Assalamualaikum. I'm here. Welcome to the maths lecture 10th of 4 class. We have to do this part, like it says divide the following. The first one question will be solved. I will be solving it on my board here. The other question, like 8 and 9, 7, 8, 9 are for your homework. Do them on your notebooks. The problem here says we have to divide 4042 on 28. So we see that the first number here is 40, and if we multiply 28 by 2, or we double the number, we get 56, which is actually bigger than 40. So we have to use 28. Ones are 28. We will get the answer as 2 and 3. We get the answer 12, and we have to 12 is actually smaller than lesser than 28, so we have to use the word from above, like 4 here. We get 124. So my wild guess is, if we multiply 28 with 5, 5 eights are 44, will be carried, 5 twos are 10, and 12. So we got the number here 120. We can use this number, which is lesser than 124. So 28 fives are 120. The answer will be 4, so we have to use this number 2 here. We have 42. 42, as we know that 28 twos are 56, so we can use 28 ones are 28. The answer we get here will be 14. So it's our remainder. Sorry, the answer could be written as if we divide 28 on 28, the answer we get here is quotient 151, remainder 14. So solve the similar problems on this pattern on your neat notebooks, and until next very lecture, Allah Hafiz.